now we're going to put together the upper coat. So first of all, we close all the side seams on the lining, and we also do it on the shell fabric. And what we're really doing here is creating one big circle which includes the lining and goes all the way around. Now move over to the sewing machine, sew it all together. Now we want to attach the piping to the upper part of the coat, but don't start sewing like I did here, straight on the edge. You want to go in about 3 centimeters because we are going to create a really nice finish when we come round. So you attach the piping all the way around until you're about 3 or 4 centimeters off the join. I'm pulling out the piping a bit so it's nice and flat, and I cut that off. And you have, in my case, because I've started too early on, I had to unpick a little bit, create a little seam there. And when that's joined, obviously you've got it in the right position now. And mine was really, really tight, so it's better to have a bit more piping there actually than I did. Okay, so that's together, and then actually when you fold this down, even if it looked, that join looked quite horrid, it'll look really nice once it's down. Next you're going to close the shoulder seams, and you close that, and we do the same on the shell fabric obviously, and we've got a 1 centimeter seam allowance for all of this. Now we're going to sew this, and again you can get into the habit of just putting the next bit straight underneath it, and then you don't have lots of long threads hanging either. That's quite a good thing. And you can iron all these seams in one direction, but make sure that the shell goes one direction. I would do the shell shoulder seam to the back and then the lining to the front. And that is the upper part of the coat done, and we can move on to the lower part now.